The custody of a controversial vlogger, namely Francis Leo Marcos, was immediately transferred to the BJMP following the issuance of a commitment order for him. Authorities addressed the allegations claiming that the vlogger was blocked from posting bail. Ryan Lesigues tells us more.
Before 8 o'clock this morning, the controversial vlogger Norman Mangusin, also known as Francis Leo Marcos, was transported out of Camp Crame. He was handcuffed and was wearing a detainee shirt when he was placed inside a police car. From the CIDG custodial facility, Mangusin was transferred to the Parañaque City Jail. According to CIDG NCR Chief Police Colonel John Giagi, the commitment order for the vlogger had already been issued, which is why he was immediately transferred to the custody of the BJMP.
Yes, yun naman talaga yun. Halimbawa kasi, yun kasi is warrant. Naka-file ang yung kaso niya is Parañaque. So, nung hinuli natin siya, automatic yun kapag after na may return natin yung warrant, maglalabas ng commitment order yung korte na ilipat namin dun kung saan siya nakasuhan, which is Parañaque. Ang nakaano dun is Parañaque City Jail.
CIDG NCR also confirmed that the vlogger has not yet posted bail, which is why he has not been released from detention.
Akala nga namin kahapon maayos niya, but unfortunately, for unknown reason, ay hindi siya nakapag-bail. Ang bail naman lang niya for 12 counts is 120,000 pesos. So, it's either may problema sa documentation niya or wala siyang pangpiyansa.
CIDG NCR denied that anyone is blocking Mangusin's camp from posting bail. However, the PNP said they filed a motion in court to delay or prevent Mangusin from posting bail because they are allegedly waiting for other warrants against him. But as of now, the court has not yet issued a response.
Karapatan niya yun na magpiyansa. Not unless yung opposition namin pinagbigyan ng korte. Wala naman kami natanggap na pinagbigyan kami ng korte for the position ng bail niya.
Meanwhile, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology said the vlogger will be placed in a regular cell where he will share space with other inmates. The detention facility where he will be held is said to be 800% congested. Mangusin is facing 12 counts of unjust vexation with bail set at 120,000 pesos. The vlogger's arraignment is scheduled for March 2. Ryan Lesigues from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.